If you've ever worked with long documents like research reports, internal strategy docs, case studies, you already know the problem. The information is valuable, but it's buried. No one wants to read 20 pages, and turning that into something visual usually means hours of manual design work. So in this video, I want to show you how teams are using Vengage's AI infographic generator to take long-form content and turn it into clean, professional infographics without needing design skills. I'll walk through the entire process step by step, from raw content to a finished export, so you can see exactly how it works in practice. At its core, this tool is built for one thing: helping teams make sense of complex information visually. Instead of staring at a blank screen wondering where to start, you just feed Venngage your content, your reports, your messy notes, whatever you've got, and the AI handles the layout. It organizes the ideas, sets up the hierarchy, and puts it into a format people will actually want to read. Then, you just spend a few minutes polishing it up. Let me show you how it works. I'm starting inside Venngage here on their AI infographic generator. I'll have this linked in the description below, or you can click the info button at the top of this video to try it for yourself. The first thing Venngage asks is what kind of content you're working with and what you want to create. In this case, an infographic based on longer text. Now, we're going to be using an internal marketing research report for a skincare company called SkinQ. This report includes the research objective, questions, methodology, data sources, key findings, and more. We'll use this report as context when prompting the AI. So I'll attach this here, and then I'll just use a simple prompt: one-page infographic, include research questions, methodology, key findings, simple results chart, implications, and conclusion. Style: clean, modern, high contrast, professional. Be sure to include main things you'd like to include on your infographic so that the AI knows to highlight them. And as a reminder, you can attach any additional context for your infographic. This could be a research paper, an internal report, an abstract with methodology and findings, or even structured notes from a larger document. The key here is that you're not rewriting or simplifying anything yourself. You're giving Venngage the raw material and letting the AI interpret it. Once the content is in, I'll generate the infographic layout by clicking Generate. Now Vengage's AI takes over. What it's doing behind the scenes is identifying the main sections, pulling out key insights, and organizing everything into a visual structure that actually makes sense. You'll notice it creates clear headers, breaks long paragraphs into scannable sections, and starts to introduce visual balance automatically. At this point, you already have something that's easy to read, which is usually the hardest part. So once we get our design back, you can start refining it inside of Vengage's editor. This is where teams usually clean things up, whether that's shortening text blocks, turning paragraphs into bullet points, and reordering sections so that the story flows logically. You're not trying to fight the layout, you're just guiding it. This is also where you can make sure that the infographic feels conference ready or presentation ready instead of looking like a raw AI output. So this is what Venngage generated for us on the first pass. It took the long-form research content and automatically structured it into a full marketing research infographic. At the top, we get a clear report title and summary context, so it's immediately obvious about what this document is and what time frame it covers. Then it organized the research objectives into individual questions, paired with visual elements, instead of leaving them buried in text. It also pulled out a key data point and highlighted it visually, so the main takeaway doesn't get lost. From there, it took the findings into a nice half pie chart showing which channels and initiatives were being seen the most on, and finished with implications and a conclusion section that connects insights to next steps. At this stage, the structure is already doing most of the work. The information is legible, scannable, and logically grouped. Now what we'll do is go in and refine the copy, the visuals, and readability to make this feel more polished and on brand. So what I'm going to do first is use the Improve Text tool to clean up some of the text on this report. I'll select the subtitle and click Improve Text button in the nav bar and prompt the AI, rewrite this to sound concise and executive-friendly, suitable for stakeholders. You can also quickly edit text with the 3 options below: make shorter, make more professional, and fix spelling and grammar. I'll also use this tool on 2 questions under the second section and ask the AI to make these 2 shorter so that they're tighter and read faster in this visual format. Venngage makes it easy to adjust spacing, improve contrast, and ensure that the text is readable at a glance. This matters a lot if you're sharing it internally, presenting it, or posting it on platforms like LinkedIn. You're not just summarizing the information, you're making it accessible to people who don't have time to dig through long documents. The last thing I'm going to do here is add an icon in my key findings section using the AI icon generator. I'll select AI tools, navigate to generate icons, and type magnifying glass. I'll get about 4 options back and I can add my favorite to this section. Next, I'll open the AI designer and ask it to review my design. It'll examine my design and suggest any edits that will help this infographic look more professional and well designed. You can easily apply any of these as you see fit. Finally, I'll run my accessibility check, which will point out any issues with color contrast, text size, links, and tables. I failed color contrast as pointing out that one text box may be difficult to read, so I'll go in and adjust that quickly. Then I'll rescan my design and I've now passed all of my checks. Once everything looks good, the last step is to export. You can export the infographic as a PNG or a PDF, depending on where it's going. That could be for presentations, reports, internal documentation, or external sharing. At this point, you've taken something that would normally take hours or require a designer and turned it into a finished visual in minutes. The reason tools like this are so useful isn't just speed. It's that they remove the friction. Teams don't get stuck deciding on how to visualize information. They can focus on clarity instead of formatting. If your work involves research, documentation, or long-form content in any capacity, this kind of workflow makes a huge difference. If you want to try this out for yourself, you can check out Vengage's AI infographic generator using the link below. You can also use the code MakerThrive50 to get 50% off any annual Venngage Premium or Business plan. If summarizing complex information is part of your job, this is one of the tools that just makes the process easier. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.